He left the pickup down all the way here. Well, good thing I greased them wheels. I see dust. I see him. There it goes. Well, we were going to do this field right away. After Blaine got done with that one, he come over here. He couldn't get the Baler to start, and I think it's the damn switch here. I don't think I like it as good. It's a pull up and twist type of deal. Pull it up and twist, and then to shut it off, you need to twist it backwards, I think, or else you just push down on it. And yeah, I've replaced that not that long ago. I'm thinking last year, and that's pretty ridiculous that it's not working again. So yeah, the hay is too dry now. Grinding it up into dust, so I think I'll wait till tonight. That's what my plan was, just to wait till tonight, but here's how you shut it off. Just, that's it. And then turn it on. It's just an up and a twist. Yeah, we gotta f with it now. Get it running, don't shut it off, I guess. What a pain in the Okay, it's on. I don't know how many more I got of them left in me, but we're just gonna leave it sit. We'll come back, do it tonight, and Yeah, that'll be it. I think that switch in there is about 56 bucks. Last time I bought one. And I don't think it lasted very long. There ain't nothing to it. A wire, you plug in a wire and take your knob off, and it's stupid. 7210's got a different style switch. It's more of a rocker switch. Oh, look at all that. Look at all the leaves I'm leaving. Yeah, we're not gonna do anymore. This bale back here is nothing but sticks. Straw. Look at that. And we're leaving a bunch of where you tie. Put it back in the bale. I don't put as much string on as I used to. Look at this, is nothing but sticks. I don't put as much twine on. I'm like the hell with buying twine. It's not like I'm selling these anyway. They just got to make it from here to the top of the hill and sit in a line for the summer, and then I'm gonna grab them and take them home. That's all they got to do. But here's these damn things. They're big. How are they? 8-foot culverts. It must be 7. Just a little bit. Twilight Zone. There's even water in this end. Here's all their other stuff. I-beams and cable and pilings, and I think they drive this stuff here in, you know, to hold the bank. And I don't know, I think they weld these damn I-beams on there. If I need something to build. Oh, they got the stuff staked out. There's a couple flags. I sure hope they wait another day until I get this. This is the bridge you're gonna replace. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, just small. That's it. We decided to bring the thing home. This stuff is still too dry. We'll do it in the morning. I'll take it home. Get that. Hopefully find a new switch tomorrow. Hopefully they got one somewhere close. And get that swapped out and remedy that issue. Yeah, we decided to take it home. There's too many yahoos out here that screw with your crap if you leave it out overnight. Shit, there's people that steal crap off your tractor over lunch hour. One time we had the tractor parked up on the hill up here and went home for, oh man, those are bright. Went home for lunch. Come back, the front end weights were stolen off. The batteries were stolen. The battery boxes were stolen. For crying out loud. And the front end weights. Jeez. I was having noises every time I get a bale in there, or just start, you know, a couple foot diameter bale in there. I'd get a bang, 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 bang noise, and I could not find it. You dump the bale out and close it up, you know, and everything was quiet. I mean, it ran like a sewing machine. As soon as you get a little bit of tension on the belts and, you know, get some size of a bale in there, then you get this. And I don't know, but I'm thinking that it was this bearing in here had just a little bit of play on the shaft. You could wiggle this shaft just a little bit in the bearing. And this is the bearing I took off, and it's got it's got a little bit of side-to-side play in there. And I ended up taking a chisel and just kind of peening the shaft a little bit where fuck, which way does that go? Does that go like this? I'm gonna say so because it's so dirty. I'm gonna say the collar's on the inside. Peening the shaft a little bit so that the bearing sits on there tighter. Let's see. I'm gonna hope that works. And then I found out that this is not the right sprocket combination for this baler. This is a 40 tooth and this is a 20 tooth. This over here is a 24 tooth. It's supposed to be 24 to 24, a 1-to-1 ratio. So this chain that goes on there around here is always loose. Could not figure out why. I could never get the, I mean, it looked like it was a wore out chain. Put a new chain on and it's loose. Well, turns out you need to have 2 more teeth. This is like off of a 535 or something. They put this on there because it worked. And all it does is it slows down the pickup slightly. Or does it slow down the pickup? No, it slows down the starter roll slightly. So I don't know, unless that starter roll runs the pickup. But anyway, that's what's going on. We're gonna put it back together, see if it makes a clunk. Go back out and try. Got a new switch for the PTO. I'll show you what that looks like. I don't know what I did with the old one, but there's the new one. That's all it is. 3 wires. I should write on here when I replaced it so that I know how long it lasts, because it's kind of ridiculous. But that's all it is. You put a little knob on here, lift up and twist. That's all it is. All right, later. So yeah, I told you this sprocket is not right. The 40 is right, but the one on the inside is 20. It should be 24. But riddle me this. This is 60 chain. And then this on the inside is 60 heavy. Is that the wrong chain too? Should this just be regular 60? I guess it is a little wide. Maybe it doesn't need to be 60 heavy. Maybe that's just regular 60 on the inside. So, but whatever. Well, I forgot to do the actual moment of truth when I turned it on, but the switch works. That was the culprit. The noise in the baler, I still hear a little bit. Sounds more like a vibration now, but it's not the banging like it was. So I think we got that issue resolved. I'm gonna throw in another ball of twine. I had just enough for maybe 1 bale on that roll. I don't carry a pocket knife. I put one of them in the tool box. Every pocket knife I've ever carried, I always lost, so the heck was that? I had enough for 1, so all right. I don't hear that clunk anymore. Sounds nice and quiet. belt and chain. Put those plugs in it. And it only does it all the bales get medium sized. As soon as it gets a little bigger, it goes away. Sounds like it's stopped. We can start the bale and get medium sized bale in it. Does it? This is the last year for it. Whoa. Alright, should we leave him alone? We should have brought him a phone in case he has trouble.